Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making Rösti, which is a typical Swiss recipe. It's so simple, you mainly need a few potatoes and you're set to go, and it's a great appetizer and so good. So let's get started. Firstly, wash the potatoes. Then put them in a pan with enough water to cover the potatoes up until the top and turn on the heat. By slightly boiling the potato first, we're making a variation to the original recipe that instead just use them completely raw. But often you need to fry them for a longer time, and so sometimes you risk to burn them or that the middle doesn't cook thoroughly. So by just boiling them first, you avoid that, and the result is also great. You need to cook the potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes from the moment the water starts boiling. This is just a way not to cook them, but to make them slightly softer. Once they're ready, drain them. Then you'll need to peel the potatoes and grate them using a cheese grater with large holes. Put the potatoes in a bowl, add salt, pepper, any other spices if you like, and mix everything up. Now sprinkle a handful of potato starch or flour and start making the potato rosti by pressing the grated pieces together, just like this. Now I pour some olive oil in a non-stick pan and I heat it up. I suggest putting enough oil to cover the whole pan. Once the oil is hot, you can start frying up the potato disc. About 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Once they're cooked, I suggest putting the potato rosti on a plate with a paper towel to soak up the extra oil, and then you can serve them up on another dish. Add some extra salt on top if you like, and serve them nice and hot. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you Primo Chef for sharing the recipe with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you're gonna try it out because it's super simple and so rewarding. So see you next time. Bye.